Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
I had a few questions about an oven, actually.
All right, what do you got?
Mostly it's going to be about the self-clean function. Is it true that using like your oven self-clean cycle is the most common way to break your oven?
It can be, but I wouldn't call it the #1 way.
Okay.
But
okay.
that would be true on the more older type of ovens, because the hot air, the intense heat will start cooking some of the components inside.
I see.
It can be, but some of the newer models can avoid that.
Okay, all right. Well, then for the older model, let's just say I have an older oven. Do you think it would honestly be better for me to just hand clean it myself? Or is a self-clean on the oven really worth it if, you know, the proper precautions it's taken?
I would suggest self-cleaning on an older oven, just due to the fact that it gets up to 900 degrees in there.
Oh, wow.
And it's going to be cooking all your components, all the control boards, and everything else that can go wrong. So I feel that it's a safer approach to go ahead and clean it yourself.
Yeah, okay. Well, then what would you say the #1 mistake is that people make that causes the self-clean to fail?
Excellent. So the #1 cause is when people set it to self-clean, they do not remove the inner shelves. If you do not remove the shelves, these can get warped and push against the sides of the inside of the oven and getting stuck in place.
See, okay. So take the shelves out, then press the self-clean button. All right. Well, let's just say after I run my self-clean cycle, how much actual scrubbing am I gonna have to do?
It's very minimal.
Okay.
Very nice, because you just go down with the wet cloth and just wipe it down, and all of it will just come out.
Come on right off. All right. Well, thank you. That's very informative. Thank you so much.